Hello, this is Kat from Kat's Crafty Crochet Corner, coming back with just some instructions for how to crochet the half double crochet stitch. So to start, we did a video where I showed you how to do the slip knot, the chain, and the single crochet. So from here, I'm going to show you how to do the half double crochet stitch, which is theoretically the next stitch in line for the how-tos. If you have any questions, please make sure to put them down below. Right now, I'm going to use some Mandala Ombre yarn in the color Serene. This is what it looks like. Goes from this pink to orange. It's very soft. I think it's very pretty. Okay, so let's begin. This is a 4-weight yarn, which the weight is for the thickness of it. Shows you just how thick it is. Some are thicker than others. I'm going to use a 6mm clover hook. So first we're going to start with a slip knot. Like so. Let's do a chain 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So here we have our chain 10. And then we are going to turn that chain to the other direction. And we're going to work into the second chain from your hook. So here's the first, and then here is the second. You're going to wrap your yarn, insert your hook into the second chain, wrap your yarn, pull up a loop, wrap your yarn. So now you have 3 loops and then a yarn over on your hook. You're going to pull that strand through all 3 loops, and that creates your first half double crochet. So wrap your yarn, insert your hook into the next chain, wrap your yarn, pull through, wrap your yarn, pull through 3. Yarn over, insert hook, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 3. And then we're just going to continue across for the remaining 7, I guess it would be 6 stitches, because we chained 10. One of those chains got skipped over for the turning. So we had 9 chains to half double crochet into. So here is your finished half double crochet row. The very end might be a little difficult to see because it kind of curves inwards, but it's there. So now to go to your next row, you're going to chain 1. So you have 1 loop on, wrap your yarn, pull through, turn your work. So this is the back side of your half double crochet row. You'll see there's a defined ridge on the back. This ridge here is your 3rd loop. It won't be important today, but just so you know. So you're going to wrap your yarn, insert your hook into the closest stitch. You will go under 2 top loops, wrap your yarn, pull through, wrap your yarn, pull through 3. Yarn over, insert into the next stitch, wrap your yarn, pull through, wrap your yarn, pull through 3, and then just continue across. And you can continue on doing this as long as you need to. You can use half double crochet stitches to do graph work or just scarves, blankets. They're oftentimes used for the brim of hats. I'm currently using it in a sweater. There are all kinds of things that a half double crochet stitch can be used in. It's very basic and it's the next stitch in line. So that completes this tutorial, and the next stitch we will learn is a double crochet. Thank you. Leave any of your comments below.